Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about CSS media queries. These are very important to make our page or website responsive. Like as you can see, here's a sidebar. When I will go to mobile screen, there is no sidebar but there is a button. When I will press, so sidebar is coming, and when I will go to desktop screen, so sidebar is there but button is not there. This is the function of media queries. So in this video I will tell you some basics of media queries. So I will show you practically. We will open our folder. It is our course 20. Course 20, and I will open it with code. And I will create a new file of HTML and CSS. Index.html and style.css. Now I will write the full syntax in HTML file with the help of Shift+1 and I will link CSS file with HTML file to write the styles. Now I will create a div. I will create a box. To create a box, I will write div and I will go to CSS. I will target here div and I will give it a border. I will give a div border 1 pixel solid black. I will get a background color. I will give it a background color blue and I will give it width 500 pixel and height 500 pixel. Now our one basic box would be ready. As you can see, it is ready. But when I will go to mobile screen, it is same, nothing is happened. When I will close it more, so look, scroll is coming. So how to do when mobile screen should come, so its size should be decreased and color should change. So now I will show you. To write that, you have to write first @media. Write like this @media and then write parentheses. These are parentheses. These brackets are called parentheses. Now I will write here max width. There are two types of width, max width and minimum width. So for minimum you have to write MIN and for max MAX. So as you can see, VS Code will not give you suggestion in media queries, so you have to write on your own. I will write here width. As you can see, it's not giving suggestions. So I will write here colons. These are called colons. These you have to write. This is most important. Now I will write here pixel values. Like mobile screen is 786 pixel. Now I will put here starting and closing brackets. Now I will target div. It will not give suggestions, I said you. Now target div. Then write the starting brackets and closing bracket, and now here you can give your properties. Now it will give you suggestions. Like I will give here width I will give it at least 200 pixel and height to 200 pixel, and now I will give it a background color brown. As you can see, it is same because it is a not 786 pixel screen. When I will decrease it, as you can see, now it is a mobile screen 786 pixel, so it is changed. Like now it's 200 pixel big box and color is changed to brown, but it is same box but in sizes it's changing. It is just from one element to like this it's looking because of media queries. So we can do more things too. Like if I will write here display none, and now when I will go to mobile screen, so look, it is gone. It's not showing, but it is there, but it's not displaying because I have written display none. Like this we can do. If I will remove it, so as you can see, it's came back. So like this we can use media queries. So our other topic is, I will tell you about media queries in next videos in detail, how to make a responsive nav bar. like this. Just as you can see, this button is appearing. We can do this from CSS, but mostly it is done by JavaScript, but we will learn how to do with CSS. So thank you guys, in this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.